क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को यह बात मालूम थी कि आप कुछ लोगों को लाइसेंस दे रहे हैं और वो लोग उस लाइसेंस के बेसिस पे अपनी कंपनी का शेयर आगे बेच रहे हैं?
Very good question. Do you know? I gave license. It was intimated to the Prime Minister. They offloaded the stake. Through whom, you know? Through whom? Through the CCA, where the Prime Minister is the chairman. They got license and spectrum. I did not permit to offer the load or sell the property. It is available as per the norms of the FDI, foreign disinvestment. It went to CCA. It is known to the Prime Minister. So offloading, Airtel, how much they offload? Vodafone, how much? Vodafone is not your company. Of course, it was, I think that it is BPL. BPL got license and it was offloaded by the Vodafone, a foreign company. They invested. Similarly, Swan did it. Similarly, Unitech did it. I am having no role at all in selling the...
But impression is, I'll tell you.
I cannot ask for impression. Na? That is the problem with me. All your impressions, speculations created problem to me. Nothing else.
देखिए, इम्प्रेशन ये है कि आपने अपने फेवरेट्स को लाइसेंस दिया और वो लाइसेंस उन्होंने हजारों करोड़ रुपए का फायदा उठा करके दूसरों को बेच दिया.
Giving license, allotment of spectrum, yes, well within my domain. I made it very transparent. I intimated the Prime Minister office. Having given the license, having allotted the spectrum, it is not my duty. It is the duty of the Finance Ministry and CCA, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. They have to see whether the sale of property or offloading the property or dilution of the share, whatever you wanted to call, it is not well within my domain. They did it.
तो ये बात ठीक नहीं है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर...
Of course, it is legitimate because Airtel, Aircel, Vodafone, all they offloaded their share. Because with the license, with the paper license and the spectrum with the air, you cannot run a company. You have to put up the towers. You have to put up the all infrastructure. For getting infrastructure, one has to offload their share for the foreign companies, what they did, as they did in the Airtel, Aircel, Vodafone, Idea, and everybody.